We're the silent professional, an elite tactical unit that takes the most dangerous criminals off the street. We have to be prepared for anything. We partnered with Glock to create the G30S, 45 caliber, slim design, maximum capacity. We trained with it. We tested it. We have no room for error. That means we want the best. That's Glock. This job is our life. We work undercover, shadow the target for days, sometimes weeks. You won't see us. You won't know about us. But you will be safer.
I got number one out, and we're inside. All right, stand by. He's coming out. He's running.
Moving in for a takedown. My Glock gives me confidence to live my life, to protect yours.
Nice pistol.
Perfection is not an accident. Its intentional pursuit sets Glock apart and defines the confidence that so many have come to trust. Every weapon, every design predicated upon principles, never compromised. The Glock 43X and Glock 48 pistols continue that tradition, offering unique features, making them a perfect fit for many lifestyles. The slim design provides maximum comfort and enhanced concealability. Increased capacity redefines capability with a new look that's both brawn and beauty. Form, feel, and function that personifies a perfect fit.
I spent 28 years in law enforcement as a game warden, with nearly half of those years leading an elite tactical team formed to interdict and apprehend illegal and extremely dangerous cartel members, all operating in the United States. Our agency was actually one of the first to implement Glock firearms operationally. Our decision to go to Glock has proven itself time and time again. This pistol has all the engineered benefits of a Gen 5, yet combines a compact slide with a full-size frame. The Glock 45 MOS slide makes it easy to add and remove a reflex optic. I really like the front slide serrations. They offer a greater tactile surface choice when manipulating the slide, thus a more positive traction when your hands are wet or sweaty. I think in nearly 30 years of running a Glock as a competitive shooter, a professional operator, and as a shooting enthusiast, My Glock pistols have proven themselves a reliable constant that I can count on, that I bet my life on.
After 30 years in development and some of the most rigorous firearm testing ever conducted by a federal agency, the choice was clear. Introducing the Glock G17 Gen 5 and Glock G19 Gen 5 pistols, inspired by the Glock M pistols used by the FBI. You can be armed, or you...
Nice tight grip on the gun. Right finger along the frame until it's time to fire. When you're done firing rounds, right finger back along the frame, weapon at a low ready, bring it back in wrist to rib, lift your shirt, and reholster. And gun.
What defines perfection? Is it the measure of excellence to which we all aspire, or the trust instilled by decades of flawless performance? Strong, safe, dependable. At Glock, we are committed to making the most reliable pistols in the world, with a never-ending drive for innovation. Glock sets the standard by which all others are compared. It is in our heritage and in our name. At Glock, perfection